What's up, guys? We're at Atlanta Truck Invasion. Now, y'all know damn well this is gonna be my favorite truck out here today. If it would be 10 times better. And now I'm eating my words. If you guys can't tell by the title and the thumbnail, Atlanta Motor Speedway today, dropping off the old bow tie to be in the KG1 booth tomorrow. It's pretty cool to see everything before it's all set up. You kind of get a chance to film everything and get a view of what it's gonna look like the day before. I'm not gonna do too much filming today. We're dropping the truck off. We're gonna go have some dinner tonight. See you guys in the morning when we head to the show. Let's get this bread, baby. I want to give a shout out to Josh and Jason from KG1 for not having to wait in that dumb line.
Thank you very much.
Let's get this bread. Mess with the one that spins. Oh, look. Why they gotta do me like that?
Do they put them upside down?
No, they put the chip one right up front. Down. Jason. Jason is my camera guy today. Look, look here. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah. Sorry.
Every time we pick up the camera, we put a butt shot on it. We'll be moving.
Do what? No. What's up, guys? We're at Atlanta Truck Invasion. What year is it? 2024. Sorry. We're at the KG1 booth. I just want to give a shout out to KG1 for allowing me to put my box in the booth. We're gonna pan this way just a little bit, Jason. Yeah, shout out to KG1 for opening the spot for you, boy. First show that I've ever taken my truck to, and I'm more than grateful. So shout out to Andy and Nick for always taking care of me, and Josh and Jason. Let's have ourselves a day. Let's get this bread. We got Blake's Any Level Lift over here with the new directional tridents. I don't know if y'all can see that. We got the directional tridents, but my favorite part of the truck today, isn't that right, Blake? The directional tridents? Yeah, look, my favorite part's the Domino's sign though. When you gotta go to a truck show at 10 but deliver pizzas at 5.
And it's still bigger than a cat eye.
That's true. I'll give him that. From the phone. You gonna go back up with it? Oh.
I like everything about them, but I don't like
That's fine. You didn't have to on me that hard, Blake. That's fine. Let me make sure to show some love to what shirt my guys got on today. Caught me out here without one on, and he's repping for me. Oh, it's a different one.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's dope. Tell me about it. Oh, whoa, wait. What we got right here? All right.
I guess they got it like that so they can run the air.
Now, I was worried about my truck being the dirtiest one out here, and no talking, my truck is not the dirtiest one out here, which is amazing. But we got the 2020 body style with the 26s on the neon FTS. Absolutely beautiful. Love the FTS. The 2614. Name of the wheel, please.
Javelin.
The Javelin.
Sure.
I hope. I'm always messing it up. We got the Fox on the front and the rear. Got the rear traction bars back. Look, that's different. A little faceplate on the drop down for the traction bar in the back. Some little airbags. It must be a tow truck, and it was definitely raining this morning, so I was just worried that my truck would be the dirtiest one out here. Normally it is, but not today. All love to this one. I don't know who owns it, but absolutely beautiful. I love it. Had no shortage of single cabs. Every color, every design. I like the pink though. Every wheel. Yeah, I like that. Got the diesel smoke in the back.
Hey, look at the holes in the mini tub. Yeah, look, I like that. That's clean. We got the. Oh, we got
We got the 20, we got the new body style 2500 on the purple Cognito with the 2616s. Oh, the Vortex, the 405s. Love it. Cognito with the purple. I like it. I like it. Let's see what we got over here. We got the high country on 30s. Look at the center caps though. Look at the
50 pesos.
50 pesos for them center caps. That's expensive. I don't want to touch them. Got the Wicked kit. This one's probably sitting about 18 maybe. Really nice bronze color. Upper control arms. So this one's got the big fabricated spindle on it. Yeah, see, it's got the big drop for the tie rod and the rack and pinion too. I like the way, the only thing, I'll be honest, that I don't like about the Wicked kit is how obnoxiously big the torsion bar drop faceplate is. Outside of that, I'm a big fan of the Wicked kits, I'm not gonna lie. The traction bars look good. I wish that they did more of a cradle style with coilovers, but it still looks really good. The color on this one looks good. Burgundy truck, they did leaf springs in the back. Took the axle out in the back and powder coated it. It's not a bad looking truck at all. I like that one. That one looks a lot like Armando's. It's been a while since Armando's truck's been on the channel. He's got the big FTS kit. The FTS kit's more of a control arm drop, so completely different style. And he put the 30s on his a while back. Saw him at El Jalisco last night. Seemed like he was doing pretty good. See, FTS has the big torsion drop too. And he's got some kind of different rear traction bars on it though. I ain't seen those before.
It's a serious drop from the steering right there.
Yeah. See, the one thing that I will say, so FTS does the big drop like that, where they drop the tie rods all the way down and the whole suspension essentially drops. Wicked does like a half and half to where they drop the, I'd have to go back and look to look at it exactly, but they don't drop the steering down. The one thing I do like about the Mcgaughys kit is he does do a fabricated, different, almost like rack and pinion system for the truck. So that is one of the pros to having that kit. But I've always been a fan of Armando's truck.
That's a badass color.
And I do. Yeah, this.
That's a badass color.
Yeah, I like this.
The high vis.
The FTS kit. The 12-inch.
That's badass color.
The 28. Neon FTS.
No one tells you in high school that the richest people you're gonna hang out with are.
That color's crazy. You can't really see it in the sun because it's like all cloudy out here, but freaking beautiful. Wanted me to film some stuff. I need y'all to be at Atlantic City. I don't care how far you are from Atlantic City. You need to be at the show this year. It's gonna be the best one ever.
Best one ever.
I just want to throw it out there.
And so it's next year.
He's been wanting me to film some stuff, so here we are. Mark from Atlantic City is the nicest dude in the world.
Oh, stop.
Always showing love to me. So y'all need to be there. That's all I'm saying.
June 8th and 9th.
Let's get this bread, baby.
All right.
That Escalade's bad. I like a little. Is that a Ranger?
Yeah, come here.
Ranger.
Look at the detail on it.
So this guy, is that hand painted? You think?
Airbrush.
Got to be hand painted.
Airbrush.
Or airbrush.
Yeah. Detail.
The Ranger.
But hey, it don't matter. You can't be mad at somebody who puts that effort into
Nah, definitely not.
What I'm saying, you can't be mad. What that is they cut it, load it on there, and they're grinding it.
I like the Escalade though. I'm a fan. What are you looking at? Single cab over here?
Yes, sir.
So this Mark in the blue shirt, this is his truck here. Got the F-150. I don't even know what kind of lift kit he's got on this thing. I've never seen the truck in person, to be honest.
BDS.
He just, BDS?
BDS.
BDS. He's just put the 26s on it. So Mark, if you're watching this, I love the 26s. It looks great. And he's got the Furies. God right? My man's got the Furies on it. Shout out to Fury. And he's got the custom next level mats. Shout out Atlantic City Truck Meet. If you guys are free that weekend, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. Make sure you guys check out Atlantic City. Look at the custom caps that he's got on there. Absolutely beautiful. Pork chop.
It needs some different wheels. It needs different wheels on it. Different tires.
26s in the Venoms. The single cab FTS 3500 dually on the Forces. I like this a lot. If it was red, it'd be riding. I like the Forces on it. Shout out to Jason from American Force. Just met Jason for the first time officially. Nicest guy. Shout out my boys Los Chicos up there. We got the chrome. Oh, it's like a grayish color. Oh no, it is chrome. With the 26 KG1s and the Furies, that's beautiful. I love that. Hey, shout out Los Chicos though with the sticker.
I didn't say that.
Oh yes! Sorry. I had to stop. Hey, it's got KG1 too, look. You can't be mad at me. You can't be mad at me. The 26s on the Mcgaughys. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Now y'all know damn well this is gonna be my favorite truck out here today. 2614s with the Aturos. Got the color matched uppers on it. With the red Mcgaughys, beautiful. The KG1s. High Country. It's got the frame plates in the back. Shout out Team Billet. That's dope. I love this truck. Absolutely beautiful. If it was cammed, it'd be 10 times better. Oh, it is. Oh. Okay. I literally just ended a clip talking about if this truck was cammed, it'd be 10 times better. And now I'm eating my words. That's this truck, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's bad. I saw this one in Texas. All chrome FTS with the dual shocks. We got 30s, 28s, the Forces.
Here's the thing, whether you drive it or whether
all chrome FTS. Y'all rocking with the all chrome or no? It's tough to have an all chrome truck. She's for sale. That one looks good. I like the black and white. Shout out Max Diesel or Max Ford, Max Diesel, Team Max. What you greasing on over here?
I don't know, how many packs of ketchup you got?
I got 3.
Thank you.
Fancy tomato ketchup. Little chicken tendies? Oh, where? Chicken tendies and the Philly cheese. Brandon's got some corn dogs over there. Look, there ain't no way we came to the biggest Hispanic show in the country. And I'm over here eating guys chicken tenders. These kind of slap though. Not gonna lie. Oh, it's kind of hit. What you working on? Philly cheesesteak? What you got there? Corn dog?
Alright.
Alright. White people food for the win, baby. Can we not talk about the amount of crap that's back here? Can we leave that alone, please? That's cool. Chris's single cab. Oh, sorry. That's dope. Oh. Oh, that bad. I like that one a lot. Black Denali, neon Cognito on it. That looks really good. I like that. Got Chris's dually over here. Chris has got the 28s on it. We saw this one at Orange Beach with the chrome FTS. Love it. I love it. Love it. We got the, ooh, what is this over here? I don't think I've seen this one before. 2500. The Mcgaughys kit? I think it's got a Mcgaughys on it. Big tin lug cap. Oh no, it's, I don't even know what that is. What kind of lift kit is that? UWT? It's got FTS shocks on it though. And we got the Plan B Denali, always beautiful. Sal's truck, one of the nicest out here, absolutely. I got a bunch of nice Denali's over here. This one's got the chrome FTS with the blue accents on it. That's freaking beautiful. On 30s or 28s? 28s. One of my favorites out here today, of course. We got the all red Denali, the gasser with the red Mcgaughys kit on it. Oh, bad. The red chrome wrap on the Forces. That color is beautiful. I love that.